Okay, hey guys, Drew here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome custom keyboard. Let's go! So the first thing you want to do is grab yourself a keyboard. I got this one from the thrift shop for $3. Unplug your keyboard if it's plugged in. I don't suggest painting it while it's plugged in, but if you want to, be my guest. I ain't liable for damages though. After it's unplugged, grab yourself some masking tape and mask up all the parts you don't want to paint on. Make sure you mask them keys up real good or else you get overspray. Nobody wants overspray. I mean, no one really likes overspray unless you want to be artsy, so you can do that. I mean, you know, you do you, boo-boo. After you're done masking, get some sandpaper, preferably 400 grit sandpaper, and then sand the whole keyboard. I used a 220 grit here and it was too rough for the keyboard, so do as I say and not as I do. Okay. Use some tissue and some alcohol to wipe off the dust after you're done sanding. Okay, time to paint. Grab your spray paint of choice. I chose this one because it was primer and base coat in one. What a great deal, yo! Take the board outside. Place it on some cardboard and spray light coats, and then wait for a few minutes, then repeat till you get a good coverage on your keyboard. Remember, the key to success is light coats. DJ Khaled would approve. Wait overnight to let the paint cure and then proceed to unmask. It's like unwrapping a present. Woo! Clearly I didn't do a great job masking here with the small keys. This is to demonstrate what to do if you get a mistake. Totally did this on purpose. Okay, so here's what you do. Grab some nail polish remover or acetone and then some tissue. Then proceed to wipe it like so. Works like magic, yo. Oh, look at that. Wiping action, yo. After all of that's done, plug your keyboard back in and then you're left with a super cool custom one of kind unique awesome possum keyboard, yo. Now you can brag about your awesome keyboard to your friends. Or not. I mean, it's just a keyboard, but I mean, it looks cool, right? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscrizzle my nizzle whizzle, you know what I'm saying? So click that subscribe button. If not, you know, you can click the like button. I mean, it's a pretty good button too. I mean, if not, I guess, thanks for the view, yo. You spray that keyboard real well. You smart. You genius. You so good.